What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Max back with another video. If you see me, it's nothing new. I'm just back on your screen of YouTube. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and we gonna get into the sauce today. You already know what I'm doing, boy. I'm cooling in the truck right now. We boxing, you know. I gotta put y'all on. So yesterday, I told y'all how I went shopping. I went to the mall with my girl. I had to pack some orders. I tried to sell some shoes. Cola Kicks, they thought it was a good idea if I just hold my sneakers, because I could get a way more margin for the price on them if I sell them through like a third-party app like eBay, StockX or something. So I'm gonna hold them and probably list them later on today. But like I said in the other video, I was gonna do a packaging order style video, like a sit-down video with y'all, because the mall is kind of loud. That's a more fast-paced video. This is a more like a sit down, grab your food, grab your snacks, let's talk. Y'all could just watch me just work, feel me? So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this blizzy real quick, and then we're gonna hit the studio, start packing this order, and get them shipped out to Owen. Oh yeah, shout out Owen from Las Vegas who bought these sneakers. Pre-owned Jordan 5 Razors, and he bought them. I appreciate you, Owen. Keep showing love. Y'all keep showing love. I got y'all next time. So we back. We in the stew now. I got the box, I got the shoes, I got the filler, and I got the cards. The Island Kicks 843 cards. If y'all haven't already, I hand out business cards everywhere I go. If you see me anywhere, you'll see me handing out these. I made like 400 of them, I ain't gonna lie. Or I made 1,000. I don't even remember, but it was between that range. What I did, I just went to the UPS store. I went to get the boxes, and I asked the lady, can you make me some business cards? And she just said, yeah, it take a few minutes. Just send me what you want, email it. I advise you, if you're gonna email somebody business cards, do it before you go to the UPS store, because their Wi-Fi isn't as strong as if you send it before you go. And you could just already have them getting made and shit. So this is my business card. I throw like at least three to four in a box every time I ship a shoe or I ship a hat. But like in the hats, I probably put at least 2 to 3. In shoes, I put like 3 to 4, depending on like the shoe. But this is the hat. It says Dream Big, Mags. Feel me? Be a part of the story. Buy, sell, trade, Island Kicks 843_. Then it has the credentials, which is Island Kicks 843_, and which has my personal, which is MMB Mags, MMB.Mags. But yeah, let's get into packaging this order, because I'm excited. When it's time to package orders, bro, it's like I become a kid, bro. Like it's just like, damn, I get to package at that. While you turning up, I just go up, I'm like a rocket, yeah. It's called Gotta Choose, bro, by Sweepers Entertainment. If y'all ain't bumped that yet, y'all gotta go bump that. But these are shoes right here. They bought from eBay. I got the paperwork right here. This is basically like our addresses and shit together. And this is the order scanner thing, all that. I gotta put this on the outside of the box so they know like where to put the, apparently it's going to Las Vegas, Nevada to Owen. And I appreciate you, man. He getting these off our hand. They about to get a new home. These the shoes, by the way. Oh, I put them away. Blue. I don't know where all the things went. Oh, look, see, they right here. See, 2, put 1 right here, 1 right here. Close the shoe, and then put 1 on top right here. That's 3. 2 more for good luck. 2 more for good luck. And so you don't get no movement in the box, because you don't want them to get messed up or anything. You want to throw some filler on the side. Gon' rock with me. You gon' mess around now. This bubble wrap is kind of like loose, so I'm going to just rip it up like this. Open it, just lay it on top of the box. See, you just lay it on top of the box. You use this filler right here on the side. Put it on top. Make sure it's snug. She's sitting right there, perfect. Unless I rip up this bag and put it on it. Fuck it. So I'm gonna just rip up this bag and use it as like a filler on top, because I don't want the shoe to be shaking up and down like that. And then, like the UPS man flipping and shit. So I'm gonna just press up the bag like this, pull it up a little bit, make it more full, and just throw it on top so the shoe not moving around too much. I'll be back one sec. This is just time out. This is not no way. 15, 12 by 10, 8 by 6. Best size box for shoes. These are size 9 shoes. And I think this box will fit up to probably size 12. I ain't gonna hold you. So now you take the label. Bro, that shit said, if you are not choking and can breathe and swallow, you are okay. It will pass through your digestive system. Bro, I feel the tape right. I swear to God, no crosses count. I feel that shit right here in my throat, bro. So you got the shipping label, you got my label, you got the UPS label, you got the all plain black box, brown box. And this is basically how you ship it out to them. You'll give it to the UPS store, they'll weigh it on the scanner sheet, they'll scan it, see the price, boom, then I'll contact the buyer, tell him his package is on the way, send him the shipping link, tracking number, confirmation together, and then whenever his shoes go to him, part our ways. That's pretty much how you package or order 4 shoes to sell them. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm definitely gonna go to the hospital and get checked out because I don't want tape cutting up my insides and nothing like that. If y'all send prayers for me in the comments, bro, make sure I'm good. And we out. Peace.
Whatever I say so. Have chicks that color of the rainbow. Yeah, chains on me like Django. Be a long way from my tank low, cause my Tesla charge for